Your car's brain costs you more than the engine. Over $3 billion wasted yearly on needless diagnostics from simple software glitches. Today, you'll discover 20 free reset hacks mechanics hope you never find out about. One erases every dash light and brings your ride back to life. Quick challenge: drop a comment with the glitch that drives you crazy. Stalls, slipping gears, or phantom warning lights? Let's see which reset you need first. Secret hack 1. Battery disconnect reset. Imagine pulling into your garage and every transmission hiccup, rough idle, and random warning light simply vanishing. Here's the nuclear option mechanics dread you discovering. In just 15 minutes, pulling the negative battery terminal forces your ECU, TCM, BCM, and every onboard computer to forget glitches and relearn from scratch, saving you hundreds in repair bills. But that's not all. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes, then reconnect and start the car for a complete system reboot. Your ride feels reborn. Fresh start magic. I once watched a friend cure his surging idle on the spot with this one simple move. Secret hack 2. Throttle body reset. Surprising as it sounds, your car's brain can get tongue-tied by the very throttle you press. Here's how to clear its memory in under a minute. Electronic throttle bodies learn your foot's tiniest habits, and when that data corrupts, you get rough idle, hesitation, or erratic throttle response that mechanics charge $150 to fix. But listen to this. Turn the key to on no start, floor. The gas pedal for 10 seconds, release, switch OFF for 10 seconds, then start and let it idle 5 minutes. Your throttle relearns fresh, snappy response. Precision throttle reborn. Next time your car hunts for idle, you'll know exactly which pedal to press. Secret hack 3. ECU reset without touching the battery. What if you could wipe your engine's memory without ever touching a cable? Most modern ECUs store short-term fuel trims and idle speed tweaks that go haywire after maintenance or long storage, leading to poor performance. It gets crazier. Turn the key to on, press the gas pedal 3 times, within 10 seconds, switch off, wait 10 seconds, then start. Normally, this hidden key sequence clears adaptation values while preserving your radio presets and clock. Silent reboot engaged. Try it after an air filter change and watch your engine purr like new. Secret hack 4. Transmission reset. Ever felt your car shift like a startled deer? It gets worse. Your transmission control module's corrupted learning creates harsh shifts, slipping, and delayed engagement that dealers bill thousands to rebuild. With the engine running in park, cycle the key off, on 5 times within 10 seconds, then slowly shift through each gear twice. Your TCM dumps old data and relearns optimal patterns. Firm shifts ahead. I once cured a friend's $2,000 transmission scare with this 5-step dance. Secret hack 5. Check engine light reset. The check engine light is your wallet's worst enemy, and it's often bluffing. But listen to this. Simple resets clear OBD fault codes and reset emission monitors, sparing you costly diagnostics. Use any of these 3 DIY tricks. Battery disconnect for 15 minutes, brake and gas pedal hold for 20 seconds, or key cycle off, on thrice to wipe codes fast. Light be gone. Next time a SOC code pops, you'll know if it's real trouble or just a tease. Secret hack 6. Power window reset. I once got drenched when my window reversed mid-slide during a downpour. Power window sensors had lost calibration. The reason this is happening: position sensors forget their full range limits, causing windows to stick, move erratically, or reverse unexpectedly. Hold the switch up for 10 seconds after the window reaches the top, then down for 10 seconds. After it reaches the bottom, repeat per window for precise recalibration. Smooth glass restored. Keep a dry coat handy. Secret hack 7. Door lock reset. Ever watch your door locks cycle endlessly, draining battery and sanity? Random actuator timing. Errors make locks spin on and off, leaving you stranded or with a dead battery. But listen to this. With all doors closed, turn key to on, press lock, key OFF, press unlock, key on, press lock again. Your BCM relearns correct timing and recalibrates actuators. Doors secure, battery preserved. I once rescued a friend locked Out by rogue cycling in minutes. Secret hack 8. HVAC reset. Picture stepping into a sauna on a summer day, or shivering when AC blasts. Heat to your climate controls have lost calibration. Faulty actuator positions and sensor drift leave vents in the wrong mode, robbing you of comfort and risking condensation damage. It gets crazier. Remove the HVAC fuse for 10 minutes, reinstall it, start the car, and let it cycle through all temperature and vent settings for 5 minutes. Your control module relearns storage values. AC restored, heat regulated. Next ice cold breeze will feel brand new. Secret hack 9. Body control module reset. Don't ignore gremlins in your car's electrical brain. Reset the BCM to exorcise them. Glitches in your body control module. Cause flickering dash lights, windows that won't respond, and phantom door lock commands across systems. The reason this is happening: turn key on, headlights on, OFF 3 times, hazard lights on for 10 seconds, off, key OFF. Wait 30 seconds, then start. Your BCM clears codes and reinitializes accessories. Gremlins expelled, lights obedient. After this, your car's Franken electronics feel human again. Secret hack 10. ABS reset. Imagine rain-slicked roads where every stop feels like a gamble. Your ABS light is glowing, but your anti-lock function is disabled. False fault codes can trigger that warning and leave you sliding on wet pavement just when you need grip most. But that's not all. Turn the key to on do not start. Press and release the brake pedal firmly 3 times. Switch OFF. Wait 10 seconds. Then start. Some models require driving 25 meters for 1 minute to finish calibration. Stopping distances cut. Don't wait for a downpour to test this lifesaver. If you've already saved time or cash with any of these tricks, smash that like button and subscribe for more car hacking secrets. Which reset stunned you the most so far? Drop a comment below. Secret hack 11. Airbag system reset. Ever watched your SRS light stick around like a bad omen? False airbag warnings can scare you into expensive diagnostics and leave your safety in doubt. But listen to this. Turn the key to on. Wait for the airbag light to illuminate about 6 seconds. Switch OFF immediately. Repeat this cycle exactly 3 times with precise timing. Then start. Some vehicles ask you to hold the brake pedal during the sequence. False warnings gone. Next time that light haunts you, you'll know if it's real. Secret hack 12. Power steering reset. Surprising as it sounds, your electric power steering is software-driven muscle that sometimes needs a reboot. Calibration errors can make steering heavy at low speeds, wander on straightaways, or refuse to center after turns. The reason this is happening: with the engine running, turn the wheel fully left and hold 5 seconds, fully right and hold 5 seconds, return to center and hold 5 seconds, switch off, wait 10 seconds, then restart. Your EBS control module relearns its center and range. Steering flows effortlessly after this. Tight corners feel like butter. Secret hack 13. Adaptive suspension reset. Imagine hitting a speed bump at 35 miles per hour and feeling like you're on a trampoline. Your adaptive suspension has lost its calibration. It gets crazier. Drive at exactly 35 miles per hour for 1 mile, then 55 miles per hour for 2 miles on level road. Park on flat ground and let it rest for 5 minutes. Your suspension control module recalibrates ride height, damper, and load sensors. Smooth ride return. After this sequence, every bump feels like gliding on clouds. Secret hack 14. Infotainment reset. I was stranded on a road trip when my infotainment screen froze, cutting off GPS and Bluetooth. But listen to this. Most systems reset by holding power and volume down simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen reboots. No data lost. Settings intact. Some use home plus back button combos or require removing a specific fuse for 10 minutes, but the goal is the same: force the infotainment computer to restart and clear software glitches. Digital dash revived. Next time your screen locks up, press those buttons. Secret hack 15. Fuel system reset. Think of your engine as a chef tuning recipes. When its fuel math goes off, performance and economy suffer. The reason this is happening: Start with a full tank. Drive at a steady 55 miles per hour for 10 minutes, no cruise. Then switch to city stop and go cycles for 10 minutes. Your fuel control modules relearn optimal trim values and oxygen sensor. Calibrations efficiency optimized instantly. This simple drive cycle can boost mileage by 15%. Secret hack 16. Anti-theft reset. Surprising as it sounds, your car's own guard dog can turn on false alarms and no starts strike when the anti-theft system confuses the key code. The reason this is happening, multiple security sensors and modules lose sync, triggering phantom alarms or refusing to recognize your key. But listen to this, manually lock and unlock the driver's door with your key, then start within 10 seconds. Some models add a 3-cycle ignition twist or key fob button combo to force the module to relearn your key's unique code and reset its sensitivity thresholds. Security tamed, starts restored. A friend once thought his battery died, turned out his car just forgot his key. Secret hack 17. Charging system reset. Picture your battery slowly starving as dim headlights signal voltage woes. Today's smart alternators suffer from miscalibrated PCM settings that overcharge or undercharge, killing battery life. It gets crazier. With the engine off, disconnect the positive terminal for 30 seconds, reconnect, then idle 10 minutes with accessories off. Next, run headlights, and radio for 5 minutes before idling another 5. This sequence lets the charging control system measure real battery condition and recalibrate voltage regulation. Battery life extended after this. Slow cranks and premature battery deaths become a thing of the past. Secret hack 18. TPMS reset. Imagine cruising on perfect tire pressure. Your dash screams low tire. That's a TPMS lost in translation with its wheel sensors. But that's not all. Inflating all tires to spec, locating and holding the TPMS reset button until the light blinks 3 times, then driving at 50 miles per hour for 10 minutes or cycling. The ignition per your manual forces the module to relearn each sensor's position and baseline pressure. Warning silenced, safety ensured. I used this on a road trip. No more false alerts, just smooth sailing. Secret hack 19. Parking sensor reset. Don't let phantom beeps turn your driveway into a siren song. Your parking sensors can drift out of sync and nag you incessantly. The reason this is happening, ultrasonic or electromagnetic sensors lose calibration, flooding your dash with false alerts that make every pull-in feel like navigating a minefield. But listen to this, inflate every tire to the manufacturer's pressure. Hold the TPMS reset button until the light blinks 3 times. Then cruise at 50 miles per hour for 10 minutes or follow your manual's ignition cycle method. Your module relearns each sensor's position and baseline. Sensors silent, parking safe. I tried this midwinter when my cold weather sensors went haywire and the beeping stopped instantly. Secret hack 20. Connectivity reset. Imagine paying monthly fees for remote start and location services that simply stop working. Your car's modem and Wi-Fi can forget how to talk to the world. It gets crazier. Factory reset network settings in your infotainment menu, preserving everything else. Or remove the telematics fuse for 15 minutes. This forces the connectivity module to re-establish cellular registration and Wi-Fi protocols, restoring remote functions and over-the-air updates. Connectivity restored, remote features back. On my last road trip, a quick network reboot meant my companion app sprang to life again. No dealer visit required. We've raced through 20 hidden resets that can save you thousands and keep your car feeling factory fresh. From nuking every module with a battery disconnect to fine-tuning your tire sensors, these tricks turn your hood into a hacker's playground. No bills, no tools, no hassle. If you thought your transmission was toast or your infotainment was forever frozen, think again. Hungry for more DIY car wizardry? Hit subscribe and stay tuned. Next week, we dive into secret maintenance hacks mechanics don't want you to know. Not professional advice. Consult a qualified expert as needed.